Retirement is a time to revisit old hobbies and explore new interests. Dust off those paintbrushes, tend to your garden, or pick up that musical instrument you once loved. Discover new passions by exploring local community centers or online resources. Try your hand at cooking, photography, or even learning a new language. Volunteering is another fulfilling way to share your skills and experience with others while making a positive impact. Staying active is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. Enjoy the great outdoors by walking in local parks or trails, or simply stroll around your neighborhood. Yoga and meditation can help maintain flexibility and mindfulness. Home workouts are also an excellent option. Follow free online exercise videos or create your own routine using bodyweight exercises. Engaging with others is essential for a fulfilling retirement. Join local clubs or groups that align with your interests, like book clubs or gardening groups. Attend community events such as concerts or festivals. Host your own gatherings, inviting friends and family for potluck dinners or game nights. Retirement is an opportunity to continue learning. Take advantage of free online courses and tutorials from platforms like Coursera or YouTube. Utilize your local library's resources, including books and audiobooks. Consider mentoring or coaching to share your expertise and experience with others. Retirement is a new chapter filled with opportunities for growth and enjoyment. By rekindling passions, staying active, socializing, and learning, you can create a fulfilling life without breaking the bank. Stay curious, connected, and true to yourself.